Hi, this is Liz Coyne with Fierce Networks. I'm here at Mobile World Congress with Kailem Anderson from Blue Planet. Kailem, thanks for joining me today.
Good seeing you again.
Yeah, good seeing you again too. So, busy show here. Lots of buzz about AI. What are you hearing? What do you think's hot on the show?
So there's a few real hot things. So obviously ORAN, big topic at the show.
Yeah.
It's sort of last year I thought it was going through this trough of disillusionment. Seems to be picking up the other side. Everyone's talking about it, which is great. Service management orchestration, how we're going to manage end-to-end 5G environments. And then obviously I'd be very amiss not to talk about AI and the hype around AI, particularly Gen AI, and what it's meaning to the telco market.
Yeah, absolutely. And everybody's talking about it, but there are a lot of steps that operators need to go through before they get to where they can actually use AI to their benefit. So what are you hearing from your customers when it comes to challenges of AI? What are you helping them with?
I think our customers are confused, right? So I hear every telco asking, what is your AI strategy? So they're trying to rationalize it. What does AI mean? What's the vendor community doing? How do they need to absorb that into their technology and leverage it for some benefit? And my message to them is, let's focus on the right technology for the right use case, right? There's roles for Gen AI, there's roles for traditional AI, there's roles for traditional rules-based automation and older approaches, right? Let's make sure that we're not taking a Ferrari and applying it to a scenario that's irrelevant for it, right? You just create more complexity. So really taking a use case centric approach and applying the right technology to the right use case, I think is key in helping the telcos leverage the technology.
So it's AI for the right reasons, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. AI for the right reasons.
So you keynote at our Cloud Executive Summit in December, and you talked a lot about a use case with Dish.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about that use case and what was involved.
Yeah, so it's a great use case. So as everyone knows, Dish is really building out a fully virtualized 5G cloud native network. And as a part of that, they really put automation in the heart of that transformation, right? And they really focused on every task, everything that they were doing in that network had to be automation-centric so that they could deliver the right experience to the customer. They realized as they were embarking on this 5G journey, hey, they're late to market, right?
Yeah,
compared to the AT&T and Verizon. So if they're going to compete, they have to do something different, right? So they literally put Blue Planet in the heart of that environment where their inventory, their orchestration all flows through Blue Planet, and they've used it to basically turn up hundreds of sites a day across their network that invariably would take weeks and weeks to go execute. So a great case study on when you get the opportunity to apply automation and AI, that it can drive a differentiated experience that's now starting to translate in terms of value to their customers.
Okay. Are you hearing a lot of other customers and service providers wanting to take that same route? What's hot on the show this year? And everybody's talking about AI, but is it realistic? What are people speaking about here?
Yeah, so I think everyone acknowledges as you're embarking on your 5G journey, if you don't have an automation strategy or a digital transformation, you're really going to struggle, right? You're going to struggle to roll it out, and then you're going to struggle to monetize it, which that's the ultimate goal, right? So I think everyone understands that, but different telcos are on different paths on that journey, right? The ones that invested heavily up front are starting to reap the rewards of that. As it relates to AI, I think there's a lot of experimentation around AI going on at the moment. I think that's going to play out for the next few years as telcos really understand the role of AI and how it's going to change their organization also. I think when you look at the technology is hardening where they can deliver tangible value, but they've also got to evolve organizationally to be able to leverage that across their business. And that's the part of the journey I think they're going to be embarking on in the next few years.
Speaking of your journey that you're embarking on, what's the rest of the year look like for Blue Planet?
Yeah, busy.
Yeah.
Really, really busy. So obviously we're investing very, very heavily in the software part of the business inside of Ciena, which is the Blue Planet division.
Yeah.
We're going to continue to do our build out across our portfolio that spans across inventory, orchestration, path computation, and services assurance. We're layering in a lot of AI into that business, Gen AI across the portfolio, and expanding the types of use cases that our customers want. We came at this automations market from traditional wireline network services.
Right.
We've expanded into 5G. Our customers are pushing us to really drive that automation all the way out to the edge. and support our customers as they embark on their slicing journey. We know that that's then going to evolve into a broad range of IoT use cases in the future. So making sure that our customers can leverage our portfolio for breadth of use case and diversity is really important. And AI is obviously going to be a part of that.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for joining me today, Kailem. It's great to see you again.
Great. Thank you for your time.
Yep.